We have a Southwestern Industries second operation vertical machining center, new in 2015, serial number 154DR389. We're going to run it for you. This is a special little machine. It has an 18 by 15 table with 14 inches of X, 12 Y, and head up and down of 17. It's got a BT30 spindle. That's 2,000 RPM. You can't even hear it run. Machine has, on top of the T-slotted table, you have a, what's the RPM? 4,000. You can't even hear it running. On top of the table, you have the Jurgen ball lock table for quick set. So it's 250 to 5,000 RPM. Again, it's a 30 taper machine. That's original paint. Machine is barely any hours on it. PROTO-TRAK conversational TMX control. I'm going to simulate a tool change. Spindle stopped. The neat thing about this machine is actually it comes with a pallet jack where you can move the machine around your shop to use in different areas. Let's run again because maybe you can see the spindle. It was so quiet you could barely even see it was running. It's 4,000 RPM. It's quiet. So you've seen the different axes move. You see the table with the quick set setup. You've seen it do a tool change. Have we showed the pallet jack and the extra tooling in the book? Great. Thank you for watching our video.